Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Billing. This powerful platform is designed to streamline your subscription management and recurring payment processes. It helps businesses of all sizes automate invoicing, collect payments, and gain valuable insights into their revenue. We will cover everything from initial setup to advanced reporting, ensuring you can maximize its benefits for your operations. Get ready to simplify your billing workflow and enhance financial efficiency. To get started, the first step is setting up your Zoho Billing account. You will configure your organization's essential details, including your preferred currency and tax information. Next, define your products or services and their associated pricing plans, whether they are one-time or recurring. Finally, integrate your chosen payment gateways, like Stripe or PayPal, to ensure smooth and secure transaction processing for your customers. This foundational setup is crucial for efficient operations. Once your account is set up, managing subscriptions becomes straightforward. You can easily create new customer subscriptions, assigning them to the appropriate pricing plans you've defined. Zoho Billing then automatically generates and sends invoices according to your chosen billing cycles, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually. You can also track the status of all payments and efficiently manage any overdue accounts, ensuring a consistent cash flow for your business. It truly simplifies the entire process. Finally, Zoho Billing offers robust reporting and analytics to empower your business decisions. You can access comprehensive reports on key metrics such as revenue, customer churn, and customer lifetime value. Customizable dashboards provide a quick overview of your financial health, allowing you to identify trends and opportunities. Utilize this valuable data to refine your pricing strategies, improve customer retention, and ultimately drive sustainable growth for your company. It's all about smart, data-driven management.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.